Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to show notifications during calls and meetings Microsoft Teams on computer. So how to show notifications during calls and meetings Microsoft Teams on computer. Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, just go straight to Microsoft Teams on your computer or laptop. And this is the initial display on Microsoft Teams. To show notifications during calls and meetings, just point the cursor to the upper right corner of the screen. Here there is a three-dot icon. And tap. Here a scrolling menu will appear. Tap the Settings menu. Now here you are in the Settings menu. Enter the Notifications and Activities menu. Now here in the Notifications and Activities menu there are several menu options. Tap the Display menu. Now here several options will appear. Tap on Show Notifications during calls and meetings. This method aims to keep notifications appearing during meetings or calls, allowing users to see important messages or information without leaving the session. So that's it, tutorial how to show notifications during calls and meetings Microsoft Teams on computer. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.